Taasa ba? Taas kayo. Ano naman yan, no? South Bank na ta? Or Maraga?
Apa mo?
Kapoy daw kayo, no? Sayot ka. No. Lagi, isnag ng ganang ilong, oh. Isnag na mong ilong. Oh. Naku siya, pinakuan. Go, go, rapain, go. Pila ka step. Ah. Muad tumigmok ba? Pagkatang stop.
You look like a chill.
Hi guys.
Are you doing juice for the boys?
Hello.
Pwede maabot ang diri mo?
We're just waiting for stuff to we're gonna do a mukbang. Mom, stop drinking.
Paano ba kami doon?
No, stop. So right now we're just waiting. That's my brother waiting for his food. My hands are wow.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is Mambo number 5.
Finish the heart. Finish the heart. Finish the heart. He doesn't like me. He hates me. We're just waiting for a mukbang because I'm like really. And look. Pa. Daddy, Pa. Dad.
Kanaon, di na tako rin gabi.
That's the birthday boy. Pa. It's his. How old are you today?
Ako pa, successful akong
It's
baka
his
pa.
37th birthday. Well, it's like, he's getting old. And my mom here's birthday was yesterday. She had her birthday yesterday.
Nagbayad mo rin ko sa muha mo?
And my birthday already passed. And his birthday is not here yet. Because his birthday is a long
Garing
way
sa iPad
ahead.
Pro. Haka. Sa camera dyan.
Look at the city. Stop dancing, bro. My brother thinks he's cool, guys. Don't worry.
Ako, cellphone ninyo ba?
Look at the balloons. And after this, they're gonna say, "Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Dada."
Ako. Puro namin.
It's gonna go on this table right here, so the bag just fell.
Ay naman, this bin Wi-Fi.
I'm the freaking boredest person in the world. It's weird now how sisters video brothers and brothers do not video sisters. He didn't hear that, by the way, guys.
So,
This bin to Wi-Fi.
saba din.
Oh yeah, did it?
Saba na.
Can you guys hear the music? I'd like to transition, guys.
Oh, yeah.
And I have to. His other glove is right there. See? Hidden little gloves. Look at me. I'm already prepared, so you can see. I'm so excited, guys. I'm so excited, guys. How about you? How about you guys? Are you excited? Sorry, guys. I'm just taking off my jacket. Guys, do you like my eyebrows? I feel so secure. Look at my mom. Oh yeah, so look, my dad got a new phone.
Look at my thing.
And this is mom's.
No.
And mom's mom bought a bag. And my brother thinks
Shut up.
my brother thinks he's really cool. But he's not.
Ambil sekali lang. What if you won't even share it?
Stop!
Share it.
Sorry. No!
Thank you, guys. You ready? Yeah.
Wow.
Alright. Yeah, guys. And have you guys got anything else you ordered?
So we're done eating. Probably too much food. Stomach ache. Mom. At the toilet. Excuse me, my name is Margo. Not Fargo, and Mango, Margo. Look at the birthday boy. How was your birthday, boy? How was your birthday, boy?
It's too much.
How was your birthday?
Really good.
He said it's really bad. Nah, just checking. He said it's really good. My teeth are yellow. Jeez. And if you saw the other video, it was 21, 23. Kuya! My brother broke it. Look, it's night time, bruh. My brother hasn't finished his fries. My brother hasn't finished that, and he hasn't finished that. And I can't finish it because I'm not hungry. I think you got it from Dad's. From Dad's iPhone.
Cellphone yan, iPhone. Ikaw to nag-video yan.
Sorry guys, I don't want to show anybody. I just want to show. So like, look, I just want to wait. Graham, Davey, you so vicious, you. You can do jiggle me. you like me to zoom? Oh wait. Have a camera. Head, hair. Whoa. Sorry guys, about it. I'll show you the clean spin. You want to make 3 spins. 1, 2, 3. What's up? You're not outside, right inside. Okay, no, but we have to wait. My stomach hurts.
Ako gani, do ka kanon ka nagpa. Butong lagi ko siya mamugkaon-kaon dito ni na.
Oh,
No, that's not good.
I'm gonna fart. I'm